Kraft sweetens its offer and says Cadbury's board fully supports the new bid. Bloomberg's Poppy Trowbridge has the latest for us from London this morning. Poppy.
Hi, Eric. Well, it looks like it's a done deal here. Cadbury and Kraft came out this morning right off the bat before the market had opened and warned us that they were finalizing the terms of an agreed offer. And now we know those terms. It looks like Cadbury is going to get the 850p it was hoping for, including a small forward dividend for its own shareholders. So Cadbury should be happy, Kraft should be happy, but we'll have to wait and see how Hershey feels about all of this.
Poppy, this was a bit of a long and, shall we say, bitter takeover battle. Why has Cadbury's board all of a sudden turned around to support this deal after all that resistance? Does it really all come down to the cash?
In a nutshell, yes. Price is always the deciding factor, and in the UK in particular, boards and, mind you, shareholders are very, very focused on price. That may not be the case in a place like France, or it may be less so the case there, where there's more of a tradition of patriotism about national industry. But in the UK, it's fair to say it always comes down to price.
Now, Poppy, one last question for you. We were waiting as of just a couple of days ago for Hershey to weigh in with a bid of its own. Is it totally out of the picture now?
From what I understand, they are going to have a very difficult time topping this price that Kraft has put on the table. But, Eric, they have to look at this very closely. It's the kind of deal that will transform the sector, and they can't afford not to look at their options for bidding here. Although, if we haven't heard from them by February 2nd, we will see the acceptances, the number of Cadbury shareholders that have tendered their shares to Kraft. And if they have the majority that they're looking for, then they're away with it.
All right, so not quite a done deal yet. That's Bloomberg's Poppy Trowbridge with the latest on the Kraft-Cadbury deal.